Oh, can you see him? We're sitting here enjoying a little pond moment. And this mama duck just came out with 7 babies. I think it's 7. Oh, there they go. Flaubert just noticed them. Did you just notice them, Flaubert? It's a beautiful little moment. I was just out on the pond in my little kayak, just paddling around. The sun is about to go down. It's about 7:30. And then as soon as I came out of the water, Mama Duck came out of the reeds. She came out right over there, and they swam across over there. Got some beautiful clouds coming in. Look at that. I might get some thunderstorms tonight. Honestly, we could use it. It's been pretty dry the last week or so. No, we can't complain. It's been an awesome summer for rain. That's why our pond is so full and beautiful. Flaubert. He's posing. Are you posing for the camera, cutie? Yeah, you went swimming? Let's check the feet. Yep, you went swimming. Who else went swimming? My little Lucy! Hey girl. Are we having a fun time by the pond? Yeah. Macy swallowed a little too much water. Oh, Flaubert, that's so nice. Oh my goodness, they're back out on the water. There they go, little ducklings. I knew they were out there. We saw the mama and the dad duck scouting out our pond earlier this spring. We knew they had a nest back there. Oh, they're having a fun time. They're playing. They're dipping in the water. So cute. These are not our ducks. These are no one's ducks. These are some wild Maine ducks. Mallards, probably. I think they're a little big to be wood ducks, although we did see a pair of wood ducks back there we thought had a nest. But I think these are mallards. Here they come. They're coming closer. Ducky, 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 ducky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and mama. Yep, 7 babies. So sweet. Yeah, is that nice, Macy? You sweet girl. Alright, there they go. Off on their little swim. Bye, duckies. What a beautiful moment. I'm glad I had my phone. And my battery's about to die, so love you, miss you, see you soon. Bye.